Assalamu alaikum everybody. This is Ali Rabbani here. Today we are going to practice how to talk about a mango. So let's start. Let's look on the board. There is a mango. It has some specialities. Mango. It has some specialities. For example, there is a mango. Like there is a mango, and it's a green mango. It's a green mango, look like this, and it's look like round. You see, just it's look like round. And I add some type of mango yesterday. I add some type of mango yesterday, like this, and it's a very tasty. It's a very tasty mango, and it's very sour. It's very sour. Sour means sour means it's a very sour, and it has flavor, and it's a kind, it's the king of fruits, and so on. There are so many specialties without it, and it has the opposite English sentence. The negative sentence: it's not ripe. It's not ripe mango. You see, it's green mango. It's not ripe mango, and it's not sweet. It's not sweet. Just it's sour. It's very sour. It's not sweet, and it's not fresh. It's not fresh mango, because you see there is a spot on mango. That's why I'm saying it's not fresh, and it's not available because I took from Rajshahi. It's not available here because I took from Rajshahi, and it's not big mango, because you see it's a small mango. That's why I write this sentence is not big. Okay, and today we practiced a lot of English sentence, how to talk about mango, and how to make English sentence about mango. So I think this class will be helpful for you, and if you think this class is very helpful for you, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Take care of your health. Join with us. Till then, bye bye.